Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all? So today we are going to talk about what is networking. So now let's talk about what is networking. Networking can be referred to as the exchange of information and ideas among people with a common preference or special interest. It can also refer to as the practice of transportation and exchange data between nodes over a shared medium in an information system. Now, let's talk about what is computer science networking. Computer science networking, which is networking or also known as computer networking, the practice of transporting and exchanging data between nodes over a shared medium, is the information system. Networking compromises not only designs, construction, and the use of network but also management, maintenance, and operation of the network infrastructure, software, and policies. Computer networking enables devices and endpoints to be connected to each other on a local area network (LAN) or to a larger network such as the internet or a private wide area network (WAN). This is essential function for the service providers, business and consumers worldwide to share resources, uses or other services, and communication. Networking facilitates everything for telephone calls to text messages to streaming videos to the Internet of the Things, that is IoT. The level of skill required to operate a networking directly correlates the complexity of a given network. For example, a large enterprise may have thousands of nodes and rigorous security requirements such as end-to-end encryption requirements, specializes network administration to oversee the network. At the end of the spectrum, a layout may be set up and the platform basics troubleshoot for a home Wi-Fi network with a short infrastructure manual. Both examples consumes computer networking. So this was about networking and computer science networking. Now let's talk about advantages, disadvantages, and the importance of networking. So now let's talk about the advantages of networking. The advantages of networking are like file sharing. You can easily share data between different users or access it remotely if you keep it on their connected devices. The resource of sharing. Using network connected peripheral devices like printers, scanners, and copies or sharing software between multiple users and saves money. Sharing a single internet connection, it is cost effective and can help protect your system if you properly secure the network. Increased storage capacity, you can access files and multimedia such as images and music which you store remotely on the machines or networking and storage devices. So, now let's talk about the disadvantages of computer networking. It is expensive. Executing of the network can be expensive in the case of initial setup as the wires and the cost of the cables are high and sometimes require equipment is also costly. The virus and malware. Computer networking can lead to spread of virus from one computer through the networking. Management of the network is quite difficult as it requires skilled persons to handle the large network. It requires training of people who are employed in this work. The loss of interest. In the case of crash of the computer network, it can lead to the loss of information or not being able to access informations for some time. The system can be hacked. The case of wide area network or WAN, there is a threat of hacking of the system. Some secure features should be added to prevent such things. In the next video, we are going to talk about the types of networking. Thank you very much for watching my video. Stay well. Thank you.